Ladies and gentlemen, I have a special advice for you today. If you want to slide into a woman's DM, the first thing first you will do, right? Just hello, babe. Hello, babe. Baby, you're so looking beautiful. I was doing something over there, and I said, let me just, compliment your beauty because you are drop dead gorgeous, babe.
Huh? Me? Drop dead?
Yes, now. I'm just.
Blood of Jesus.
No,
Any
it's not.
plan you have upon me, your plan will not succeed.
It's not.
Holy Ghost fire.
We got we got
Fire.
fire where? We got fire where?
Drop dead.
There is no fire to. Babe, come now, let me finish. Look at.
Things say they're wise.
Look at. Babe. Hi. Okay. That's like we are saying before. When you want to slide into a woman's DM as a guy.
The earlier we realize this, the earlier every one of you realizes, the better it will be for us.